How to snooze chat in text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the text conversation. Now in the conversation list, open up the text conversation chat. So here I've got the chat group. Open up and then tap on the more button. Next, we tap on group details. And from here, tap on snooze chat. And here, from the list, you can choose to snooze at 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or always. So select one of the available options. And here I'll select just 1 hour. Here it says other members will not see that you snooze this chat. And then tap on snooze. And that's it. If you want, you can also unsnooze chat. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.